Hello and welcome to Timmy's Tent again for some downhill racing. Found some killer Jaguars today, and I'm here with my son Samson. How are you, Sam?
Hello.
And hello. And we have the Jaguar XJ220. We have green versus, I'm going to call that blue. All right, they're both metallic, both beautiful, both going into my loose car collection after today. Samson, who do you think's going to win?
Well, we were talking off camera, and I think we both agreed that we wanted the green Jaguar XJ220, correct?
Okay.
All right. Despite having this one saying the gold medal for speed, we're still going to take the green at Jaguar.
You are?
Yeah, I am.
All right.
You are too, right?
I'm going to take the blue one.
You are?
I am.
Oh, okay.
Why am I going to do that?
What?
Any clue why I'm going to do that?
Oh.
To make it interesting! That way, if the green one loses, I win. All right. Open the green one for me, buddy. Oh, nice open.
I ripped it.
That's okay. Look at that, though. That's perfect. If we had glue, we got that. Let's see the car. Get down low. There you go. All those wheels working.
Really, really nice, actually. Really smooth.
I'm loving this car. You have no idea how much I love the looks of this car.
Plastic.
Let me see inside
metal.
that car for a second. Let me get close. Hold on. Stay still. Stay still. Now to the back.
What is that?
Side. Give me a side shot. Leave me alone. Stay still. Oh, that is just beautiful. I love that green car. All right. I'm getting the other one open. Remember, gold medal for speed. So, it should win, right?
Should.
Nice, perfect open. Oh, this is just as beautiful as the green one. I don't regret changing my mind. Sam, look at the blue on this out of the package. We did not see this in the package. This is just so much better open.
It turns into metallic blue.
It is metallic blue, right? And I did not see it like that in the package. All right, there's our shot right there. That's the race. And you've got green, I've got blue.
Yes.
Ready to get these guys racing?
I am.
All right, if you could set this camera up for me, I appreciate it. That was nothing. I didn't break anything. One of those bubbles. Okay, so, Samson, I am going to put your green one in lane 1 and my blue one in lane 2.
Okay.
Best 2 out of 3.
Best 2 out of 3.
All right. Ready, set, race!
Oh!
Blue! Blue came up, yeah, but green was catching up, dude.
I know, huh?
Let's put those in opposite lanes.
Whoa.
I really don't like the toss him. All right, so now we have green in lane 2.
Green lane 2.
Blue in lane 1. Blue is 1, one time, so it's 1-0.
Yes.
Ready, set, race! Oh, blue again! Very close race. Identical cars, so I'm really not shocked how close the race was. Blue won. Blue is faster than green.
Look at these.
Thanks so much for tuning in to Timmy's Tent again. Please subscribe.